Today, we're going to be talking about how to create an invoice in Expensify. Now, I know you might be thinking, why would I want to use Expensify to create an invoice? Well, Expensify is a great tool for tracking your expenses, and it can also be used to create and send invoices to your clients. This can be a great way to save time and money, and it can also help you to keep track of your finances. So, how do you create an invoice in Expensify? First, you need to make sure that your Expensify account is set up for invoicing. To do this, you'll need to go to your settings page and enable the invoicing option. Once you've done that, you can create a new invoice by clicking on the New Invoice button. This will take you to a page where you can enter all of the information about your invoice, such as the date, the recipient's name and address, and the items that you're billing for. Once you've entered all of the information about your invoice, you can click on the Send button to send it to your client. Tips for creating effective invoices in Expensify. Now that we've gone over the basics of creating an invoice in Expensify, let's talk about some tips for creating effective invoices. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Use a professional template. Expensify has a number of different invoice templates that you can use. Choose a template that is clean and professional looking. Include all of the necessary information. Make sure that your invoice includes all of the necessary information, such as the date, the recipient's name and address, the items that you're billing for, and your payment terms. Use clear and concise language. Keep your invoice concise and easy to read. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that your client may not understand. Proofread your invoice carefully. Before you send your invoice, be sure to proofread it carefully to make sure that there are no errors. Send your invoice in a timely manner. The sooner you send your invoice, the sooner you'll get paid. Additional tips. In addition to the tips above, here are a few other things to keep in mind when creating invoices in Expensify. You can add a logo to your invoice. This will help to make your invoice more professional looking. You can customize your invoice with your own branding. This includes your company name, colors, and fonts. You can add a personal message to your invoice. This is a great way to thank your client for their business. By following these tips, you can create professional and effective invoices in Expensify. This will help you to get paid faster and easier. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.